Okay.
NYPD. Got a cameraman down. Yeah, I need an ambulance. The damn chief put the cameraman right in the building, and I had no idea. Son of a 601 to 600, I just shot the cameraman because you put him in the building. What the hell's wrong with you? Oh, I gotta delete the evidence.